In summary, Haslea Nusantara produced a moraine-like pigment similar to that of Haslea austraria. As the current terrestrial resources are exhausting, it is necessary to discover alternatives to keep nature in balance. Microalgae are known to carry a certain level of commercial and industrial potential which has been gaining more attention in recent years. Studies have been carried out to discover their ability to synthesize secondary metabolites of interest, such as pigments, lipids, etc., for biofuel, food, or pharmaceutical industry. Past studies have reported that the moraine pigment from Haslea austraria could bring advantages and also adverse effects in purified form and the form of supernatant that contains the blue pigments, that is blue water, BW. In other words, further studies are needed to connect the dots since the conclusion was difficult to be drawn based on the contradicting findings of different studies with different parameters. For the first time, this study documented that H. nusantara produces a moraine-like pigment that has almost similar traits to that of moraine pigment from H. austraria. Other than spectral characteristics, the BW from both species on several marine organisms and the bioactivity of BW was also investigated. Besides aiming to contribute to the literature by further assessing the moraine from H. austraria, this study also examined the moraine-like pigment from H. nusantara as part of the effort to search for a prophylactic agent for tropical aquaculture by using a tropical species. Aligned with the UN's target to improve ocean health and enhance the contribution of marine biodiversity to the development of a developing country like Indonesia, the findings from this study would help to achieve Goal 14, Life Below Water, of Sustainable Development Goals of UN.